I'm Michelle Smart. I'm an enrolled agent, and I'm here to give you a little tip on how to pick up those missing transactions when in QuickBooks Online your link breaks and you find out down the line, oh, I am missing April and May, but I've got June, July, and August. What am I going to do? There's a way to do it, so let me show you how. The first thing that we have to do is determine which dates are missing. So if we go to bank transactions, we can click date, and we can, either way, you can get the newest first here or the latest first just by clicking the dates, or you can go through each of the pages below. There is a little arrow below, and you can look that way. My favorite way to do it is just go to reports, balance sheet, click on the account that we think there's missing transactions. Again, we can click the dates, and then I can scroll through here by date and see if something is missing. Normally you have been alerted to this or you wouldn't be watching this video. So the first thing we want to do is log into the bank or credit card. It works for both of these, and go to the activity. Next we go, you can see that it says showing activity since last statement. There's a drop down box and you want to set the parameters. You've just looked up the dates that are missing. So you're going to want to click specific date range. Then all transactions, you can just download deposits if you wanted to use it for another purpose. Then this is the download button. Click the download, this down arrow. And then you're going to be prompted to choose a file type. You want to choose QuickBooks Web Connect QBO. Then click that download, and then that should appear in your downloads file as such. Now we go back to our QuickBooks and we go to the bank transactions. And this is where it says link account. If you'll notice, the drop-down box has upload from file. It's critical here that you have the right account. Don't just think because it says checking is the right account. It's going to be whatever your QuickBooks chart of account is. So let's just go back here again. This is the checking. This is the account name that's in QuickBooks, right? So make sure that you are using that same thing. So when you go to link, upload from file, make sure this is correct. Then we go here and click this, open file. And once you do that, what's going to happen is all those transactions are going to get downloaded into here for you to code. Obviously, it doesn't go straight into your account. You have to code it. Now, if you have some duplications, it's not really that critical. I just pick those up when I go to do the bank rec, or if you notice it here, you can just click here and exclude it. Check here and exclude it if it's a duplicate. Otherwise, pick it up when you're doing your bank recs. Now, if you're in the situation that you have multiple areas, multiple gaps of missing transactions, you can do them according to those dates and do this 2 or 3 times. This also works in QuickBooks Desktop. The steps are slightly different. So if enough people request that, I can go and do a little video on that. So if you have any questions, please post below. I'm Michelle Smart. I'm an enrolled agent. Thanks for watching.